How to remove translation in Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook. And then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on Settings. Here, you want to scroll down to the Preferences section, and from there click on Language and Region. So, if you are tired and sick of Facebook translating things like posts and stuff to certain languages and you want to stop that, you can see the second option says language you'd like to have posts translated into. Click on it. And unfortunately, as you can see, there is no option to turn off this feature. However, there is an easy workaround and an easy solution that we can use, which will give us the same effect. So if we go back to the previous page, the third and the fourth option you have, it says languages you don't want to be offered translation for and languages you don't want automatically translated. So say for example your Facebook or your language is in French and you don't want this French language to be translated to English. All what you need to do is select these two options and then select, let me search for French, click on it, then click on Save. By doing this, Facebook won't offer the English translation for this language. The second option, it says languages you don't want automatically translated. So click on it again and then search for your language, in our case French, then click on Save. And by doing this, Facebook won't translate this language automatically to English. And by doing this, the translation feature will be disabled for the French language that you have chosen, so it will not be translated to any other language. It's that simple. And if you want more convenience, you can click on the second option and select French as the language that you want all of your posts to be translated to. So it will be a unified language throughout your Facebook posts and stuff like that. You will only see the language that you have chosen. So that was it for this video. That's how you can kind of disable or stop the Facebook translation. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.